Immerse yourself in a creative blend of art, music, and culture at the 33rd Annual Downtown Festival and Art Show, November 8th and 9th in downtown Gainesville. Explore a stunning collection of artwork by 250 artists and marvel at world-class paintings, vivid photography, unique sculpture, dazzling jewelry, and so much more. Enjoy continuous entertainment on 3 stages all weekend, including a downtown blues concert on Friday night. Bring the kids for free art activities at the Children's Imagination Station. For more information, call 352-334-ARTS.